2006 F350 7.3 power stroke. I'm going to try to cold start this thing today. It's about 8-9 degrees out today. I don't know why my infrared thermal reader is reading negative. I don't know if the block is actually this cold or what, but the temperature outside is about 8 degrees right now. Let's see how this thing starts up. We're gonna wait for the glow plugs to warm up a little bit. It takes them a little longer when it's extra cold outside. It's gonna be the first time I tried to cold start this truck with it being this cold out. Normally I'm not driving this truck at this time of year.